itatanim sa bahay. Kahit anong puto.
Ikaw nga ng na sitaw.
Kahit ano daw klase. Kahit anong klase. Baka malaman mo po kahit ano bang klase halaman na gagawin sa biosafety. Observahan po kasi po ang alam ko basta gumagana.
Oo, obserbahan.
Walang pang-ibig.
Ano yung address?
Yung nip lang wala.
Ay, okay.
Tingin mo mami, beef ba yan?
Wait, yan.
Beef ba yan?
Lalagyan mo na yung sauce? Ano talaga yung sauce?
Ano namang halaman? Kasi nadapang. Adi yung...
Ikaw nga.
Akala ko yun sa grupo nyo. Ano yun? Meron pa daw grupo
Ah, okay.
Ano?
Oo, kahit anong kakaman na.
Katola, ganyan. Sa bahay. Yun ang iyatatawin. Ayun o.
Wala, isang doktor. Lagay mo na yung sauce, ano? Dahan-dahan. Spicy yan.
Tinikman mo ba?
Tapang ka naman sa spicy.
Hindi mo pala hinalo. Ganda.
Hindi mo inalo dati.
Ay, laki mo lang lahat.
Kinakalat ko nga eh.
May lamang ba yun sa baba?
Ha?
May tubig ba yun? Wala.
Ayun lang mayroon.
Inis ka. Sarap. Hindi ba yung chicken? Ito lang may masarap.
Kamu, magkakaroon.
Okay, sige na.
Iwan na kayo. Dulo na chicken kinakain.
Sarap.
Pwede yan nila. Pwede mo tingnan. Nila oh. Ganun yun. Ito pwede mo pa. Ang lasa. Ha? Masarap?
Super. Lagyan pa natin siya ng sauce.
Lalagyan pa natin na pakcha.
Carrots, lagyan mo. I like carrots.
Very good.
Let's see if I like.
Wala namang hindi tayo ng sabaw. Para dito sa
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Wala, 1.5 yun.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Wait,
Gusto mo ba lagyan pa natin ng sauce?
This.
Sauce eh.
What's this? Lagyan.
Hindi pa yan totoo.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always